Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the this is the 26th of November. Scorpio, we are in Sagittarius season. Yeah. Okay, we're in Sagittarius season. Great. So this is angelic presence. The ninth house. One moment, please. Sorry. Apologies. The ninth house in astrology is the house of philosophy, higher learning, and life and long distance travel. So Sagittarius dominating placements, your job, your destiny, especially Sagittarius in another node, right? You focus on philosophy, higher learning, and long distance travel, which means that you most likely are going to travel to foreign countries. You will most likely marry somebody who is foreign, or you might marry somebody who has way different educational status than you. You might be the college educated one and somebody else was a street smart one. It governs worldwide views, spiritual beliefs, and how you seek truth and knowledge. Because just because you get the information from a book, it doesn't make it true. It makes it true to the author. It makes it true to the persons who showed up to be a part of the statistic, but those who did not want to speak, just like how some of us do not like to speak in the face of abuse, we don't know the statistics of those people. So yeah, Sagittarius rules Jupiter. I'm also getting something, so I'm getting something about the child study, the scream. I'm getting your hi. I'm Vanessa Carby, and you may know me from a lot of things, but what you may not know about me is that I have been a child study ever since I was a teenager. Yes, the government and my parents signed me up to do experimental things on me to watch my reaction and probably to desensitize me, to build me up into whatever the fuck this government wants me to be. I'm getting something about you were a government. I'm getting your study. I'm getting, I don't know if you remember going into an office with your mother and you used to play with some stuff in front of people and then would watch you. Maybe there was a camera on you. Cause me getting you growing up and you remember a camera always being on you, or you remember I following you around. I'm also getting something about, again, you signed up your child for a study. Me getting something about the scream. Like me getting you're seeing if your child will scream, or you're seeing if your child will fight if them being kidnapped. Something like that. I don't know if it's your teenage daughter you're testing for see if she going to meet a predator online and she going to meet the predator and then you going to like come into the room and say, how could you do this? We're getting something about kids though, it's kids, it's toddlers. We're getting a study in them, behavioral patterns or something about, this is very dark, but we're getting something about, it could be in the sense of pedophilia and you want to see if your kid going to talk. I don't know what this is. I don't know what kind of private entity this is. But I'm getting something about the study, the scream. You want to see if your child going to scream for help or your child going to stay silent in the face of abuse. I'm not sure how old your child is, but if you are a mother, it does not matter if your child is 50. That is a child. Maybe a 50-year-old was tested to see if they would have helped somebody, if they would report something. If on the TTC, if they see something, they should say something, right? I'm getting a 50-year-old son saw something and turned a blind eye. And maybe a 19-year-old son saw something and him talk. I'm getting something about the scream, the study. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio. Scorpio. Let's get some of these cards. First card out, we have Lilith. Now, Lilith is Adam's first wife and destruction of children. Now, what the fuck was I going to say? Oh yeah, thank you. Now, this could be something about a woman, a very weird, taboo character. She show a lot of ass and titties. But me getting, she seem like she will stand in the face of because Lilith was Adam's first wife. So she was created in the image of God. Remember. She was not created an evil woman. She was created to be subservient to Adam. God did not create Lilith with evil intentions. He created Lilith with free will. Just like how Eve had free will to so-called commit adultery. Lilith's free will was walking away. Lilith never cheats. She walked away. Eve never walked away. Eve cheated. It could be something about a woman, very weird character. She does not have children. She's not for reproduction. But me getting when she see abuse, she call it out. She's Lilith. When Eve see abuse, evil, shh. Because after Eve did have sex, Eve never come back come tell Adam that she have sex. Eve realized she naked. And she don't know if God or Adam would have noticed. So it could be something like that. Me getting the characters where you think evil. You'd be like, I don't want my kids around these people. No, don't listen to them. Don't watch the Harfont Guru. Don't watch Jacronium. Do not watch Vanessa Carby. I don't like the things what she's saying. Sweetie, I'm pretty sure your son or your daughter hear your man say worse things than I am saying on my channel. Just cover their ears. It's okay. Just bring a soundproof earphone. Make the kids them come into the place. Give all the kids them a soundproof headphone and let them watch with parental discretion. So anytime I saying something too vulgar, let the kids put on the headphone so they don't have to be corrupted. Unlike your man who's corrupting your kids every day. We have Aquarius. Alright? So we have Lilith and Aquarius. Yeah, Aquarius is for the people. Megan, you're saying somebody isn't fit to be talking about kids and having opinion on other people's kids. Maybe because of their personality we have Lilith. But me getting that's the person who is not scared to speak up while you're scared. We have Scorpio. Yeah. Me getting somewhat a Scorpio. We're right on the money. We're right on the fucking money. Getting somewhat a Scorpio. We have father. Is your father a Scorpio? Something about your father or your father signing you up for a study when you were a child. We're getting something about the scream. And we have Astaroth. Uncovering secrets, Grand Duke of Hell, lust, vanity and temptation. So if you feel like every time you do something people know, yeah, the government know. They probably offered you a glass of water and gave you a fucking eye camera to swallow. And then your vision was blurry. You woke up with a blurry vision and then the blurriness fade and you went back to normal. Yeah, the eye lodged in your fucking cornea. First card out is the Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles is government, is dealings, is a business, is a contract. I'm getting a contract between the government and your father. Three of Pentacles is business, this is money. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's business. Who do you work for? Who does your father work for? I'm getting you work for, maybe you're being recruited into the government. Maybe the military wants you to be a spiritual advisor. Because Sagittarius rules higher learning. Sagittarius would have been the philosopher. Then would be the guide. We're getting a business contract. So maybe you're being prepped for something. And I'm not talking about prep as in the vaccination against AIDS and HIV. I'm talking you're being prepped for something. Why you should get prep? Use a condom. We're the Five of Pentacles. I'm getting it locked out, or so I'm getting something about you where I'm getting you work at this place, you work at this job, and now you lose your job. Somebody lost their job. Maybe you were a government study and you moved away from your parents. I'm getting you move away from the study. I'm getting you move away from wherever this was. And maybe somebody or a big entity did lose money. For example, if Jamaica was supposed to sell your information to Canada, you move to Canada. Jamaica lose money. Because your information was supposed to be sold while you're in a certain country. You're getting something like that? Or you want to know why your mom and dad is fighting so hard in court for you. It's not because they love you. It's because when you're little, them sign up with the government. And whoever gets you, they might get the money. Yeah, me getting your mom, some about your mother. Me getting your mom, your mother has been getting money. Or me getting a notice why your mother never work. Your mom didn't work growing up. She was your handler. That's why. She was getting money elsewhere, maybe from the government. I'm getting she was a handler. We have Father showing up, but the Queen of Pentacles is here, so that's your mom. One more. And we have a Two of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting something about your mom. Maybe your mom was a study too. And chances are, if you ever came from the adoption, if you come from adoption or orphanage, chances are you're a study, because that's what MK Ultra recipients were. They were the homeless and the orphaned people they could have done things to, and you're not gonna really get a big case out of it. The Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Lovers. I'm getting you're being prepped for your husband. The Three of Pentacles, so you were watched all your life. I'm getting there's a man who was watching you for a very long time. Three of Pentacles. This could be either a business marriage or a marriage of arrangement. I'm getting this man has been prepped for you. Two or uno was under government studies and the government was like, this is a good match. I'm getting this is bigger than you falling in love. This is bigger than Bumble, Tinder, Clover, Plenty of Fish, OK Cupid. This is bigger than that, sweetie. The Eight of Pentacles is clarified by the Nine of Cups. Yeah. I'm getting you'll get everything you want. I'm getting because I'm getting maybe you found that you never really have a job. You just live in like a reality TV show. I'm getting your mom was being paid to provide for you and you weren't getting the money. And while you were supposed to be getting taken care of, they could study you under that. I'm getting you were never getting the money. Maybe somebody was giving the money to them lover. The Five of Pentacles is clarified by the Chariot. I'm getting something about a Cancer. A Cancer is now homeless. Your mother being homeless. I'm getting something also about a police officer. I'm getting you used to be a police officer and you're homeless now. Something like that. Or something about, we found love in a homeless place. We found love in a homeless place. We found love in a homeless... Me getting something about you meet a Cancer, this police officer while you were homeless. Or this man was watching you. Come getting you a study. This is why things been happening to you. Come getting you feel like your life is being orchestrated. It is. You were a study. Yeah, we have the Eight of Swords. Me getting your mother was a study too. Your mother probably went through dramatic hardship, pain. I got cut off, Sagittarius. No. Scorpio, sorry. Got cut off. Let me hurry up and do your reading. Yeah. Me getting your mother went through immense pain. Maybe your mom's legs was cut off. She couldn't do nothing. Because your father. Me getting something about your father. Getting your dad, man. I think it's your father. Something about your father. You might realize something. Getting something about studies. Like Access Habitation TV. That's what the fuck this is. One more. We have the Tower. We're getting... Shit is about to fall apart. Because I'm getting you were never... You're an actor. You're not supposed to look in the camera lens. I'm getting... Brody. I'm getting you see right where the camera is and you're talking to it. I'm getting you're about to wake up or I'm getting if the situation was being influenced, I'm getting you're now the influencer. I'm getting for the last 29 years Capricorn, for the last 29 years Capricorn cycle, somebody has been studying you. And usually when they study for 29 years, you don't just change in year 30. It's a pattern. You studied until you're dead. Scorpio, I don't know what this is, but I'm getting something about like The Walking Dead. I'm getting everything when you reach, that's all I'm getting. I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. I'm getting them calling you The Walking Dead. I'm getting the dead is going to walk. And some people are going to be fucking scared shitless. So I'm going to leave it here until next time. Scorpio, bye.